629 Bauble. This has been a very popular and successful floor plan for us so far. Really close to two different freeways, lots of shopping and restaurants. Tile at the entry, some damage here and then there, yeah. Damage in a couple of places. A different tile down here. The paint is a creamish color with a little bit of pink in it. So we have this off-white laminate breakfast bar, and then we have a different countertop here. The cabinets look good. The counters are interesting. They actually, it's just this edge here that looks unfinished. So we have black and stainless steel appliances. No washer and dryer, but there is a 3-prong outlet. A different tile around the fireplace and a wooden mantle, but we do have the 2.5-inch blinds, little pen mark there, and drapes over the arched window. Carpet looks good, except I see now that it's bunched in some places. Bunched in a couple places here as well. This is a floor plan that has 2 masters. Different tile in this bathroom than the various tiles downstairs. These blinds look like they need to be replaced. Warped in a couple places, a little short. We'll see what Jenny says. Okay, this is the same type of wallpaper that was at Cinnamon Crest. This is the same tiles in the other bathroom. Okay, that's the property.